This is the ultimate European summer pack with me. Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, Croatia, Turkey, and Greece. Oh, I'm so excited. Back to my channel. You're watching the Sydney Meeuwsen show with your host, Sydney Meeuwsen. This is the ultimate European summer pack with me. We are going to be going for 3.5 weeks and I am so beyond excited. I've been waiting for this trip for 2 years at this point. We're actually going to be hitting 6 or 7 countries on this trip, and the reason why we're able to go to so many countries is because we're going on a week-long cruise. So this is just the ultimate summer. The countries that we're going to be going to are Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, Croatia, Turkey, and Greece. Oh, I'm so excited. So how I've broken up this video to make it super easy to follow along is that the first section is going to be solely outfits, anything that would be clothes related. The next section is kind of miscellaneous stuff, electronics. The last part is the full-on like packing and like what I use packing cubes wise and, you know, backpack. Yes, you heard that correct. I am taking one backpack for 3.5 weeks in Europe. Now don't let that scare you. I'm going to give you a bunch of tips and hacks to maximize your space and your outfits that you're bringing and everything combined. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is the setup I have on my bed. It just helps me lay it out and kind of know what all I'm bringing. First up, we're starting with the clothes. When it comes to clothes, trying them on is the easiest and best way to figure out if it's something that you want to take on your vacation. For me, it's really nice to just try it on, see what kind of undergarments I need, to be honest, and then like kind of what jewelry or what kind of shoes you envision with it. This dress, I'm getting the ultimate Santorini vibe, so of course I'm taking this. Love this dress. I feel like it fits me really well. It's giving like cottagecore vibes, but I think this is perfect for Paris. It's even got the little slit on the side. Love it! Oh my gosh. These are all my dresses laid out. I have 7 dresses that I'm bringing, but they're all fairly thin and very lightweight. Adding on to the group, we've got 2 chambray shirts. Adding 12 shirts. This includes tank tops, short sleeve shirts, bodysuits, all that jazz. Making its way over here, I have all my pants. I have a pair of jeans, a pair of linen pants, shorts, a long maxi skirt, and then a short jean skirt. And then right here is a fancy 2-piece set for a fancy dinner or something. My 2 swimsuits that I'm bringing, one has a little cover up with it, and then the other one is more like a bandeau, so you can get a good tan in it. But again, both bikinis, so cute. I can't wait to wear these. 2 sets of pajamas here. 2 scarves that can also be tops. Definitely can't forget this. It's just one workout set, and then a sweatshirt for the plane. Over here, we're looking at all the electronic essentials. We've got plug, converter, hard drive, camera, AirPods, laptop, all the good things. This is the one bag I'm bringing. It's my Lulu, you know, belt bag that's gonna attach to my body. Let me show you in depth what I have in this Lulu bag. So one, I've got my passport. I have my sunglasses in their little case. This, it's to convert my pictures from my camera to my phone, which is honestly the best thing ever. And then I have some lip balm that has SPF 20 in it, a thing of hand sanitizer in this, but also in my backpack. And in this pouch I have some oil blotting sheets. Honestly, most important, you are just sweating profusely over in Europe. These things are the best. And that's it for this bag. Then I have my makeup and toiletries in these 2 pouches. In case you're wondering what's in my toiletry bag, I've laid it all out right here. So I have a face mask, eye mask, all of my hair stuff, all of my skin stuff, toothpaste, micellar water, eye drops. This is my perfume. I need to refill it up, but this is just what I put my perfume in so it will stay nice for traveling. Shaver, my gua sha, some acne medication stuff, the essentials, and my toothbrush. So that's everything that goes in there. Then I'm also bringing my curler. I have a hat, 2 expandable bags, and a belt. I also have my socks and underwear and laundry bag over there, along with my packing cubes. These things are the compression packing cubes. And then here's my Osprey backpack that they're all gonna fit into. I know it looks tiny, but it's gonna fit. Last but not least, these are the shoes I'm bringing. I have one pair of Stans. I've got these crusty shoes in the middle. They're like sandals, but my thinking is that I'm just going to wear them to death on this trip, and then with my dresses and stuff, and then throw them away at the end. So it's a win-win. And lastly, a pair of these sandals for the beach. All right, it is that time. We are about to start packing, but I want to give you a few tips before I get into it. First and foremost, make sure that you have an extra pair of underwear and socks with you. You will thank me later. I'm telling you right now, I am one of those people on those long haul flights that has to change their socks because they get so disgusting. Same with the underwear. Your luggage might get lost, or you might just have so many layovers, or you get your period. There are so many times that I wish I had an extra pair of undies. And the last tip is kind of piggybacking off the last one, but try not to check any bags in. I know that's really hard, and hence why I'm trying to backpack it. There is a higher chance of you losing your luggage if you're taking 2 or 3 different changeovers. So having it with you is obviously bettering your chances for getting your luggage from point A to point B. These are actually a couple things that I didn't know I needed before, but I ended up getting this Airfly Pro set. You can basically plug into a port for your headphones where you would be like on the airplane, and you can pair up to 2 headphones in it at once, which is really cool. It also has a battery pack that lasts for 25 hours, which I will definitely need. So cute and tiny. Oh my gosh, wait, this is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but that's honestly perfect. This is also something I'm trying for the first time on this trip, but I'm gonna be using air tags in our backpacks. I got these little clip rings for it so that they will stay secure in the backpack and make sure that I won't lose my luggage if I have to check it. That actually took 4 seconds to set up. Now I'm just gonna put it in this little thing and plop it in my backpack. Everything fits great in there, even my Lulu bag. Pretty much everything that I will need and have on me at all times will be just in this bag. Now we're gonna move on to the Osprey. Really quickly, these are the packing cubes that I use. These are by Bag Ale, and I just got them on Amazon. I'll have them linked to my storefront as well for you guys, but they have them in so many different colors, sizes. These are actually the ones that are compressionable, so they will compression down to like literal slivers, which is the best part. I highly recommend these. These are the best. I'm gonna try to pack all of these clothes into 3 or 4 packing cubes right now. You actually don't have to do that much. You just have to kind of lay them on top of each other. It's not like about if it's looking pretty or not, but the main thing is just the layering of the flatness. So basically I have fit all of my dresses, my workout clothes, my long sleeve shirts, and a set in this bag so far. You can see it is like bulging out from the sides, and I'm going to show you how it's going to compress down into literally nothing. I'm full on sweating right now. Last little zipper. Woo! Do you see this? I'm sweating so much. This is like all my clothes. Oh my gosh, okay. All the clothes fit in these 2 packing cubes. I mean, the bag is amazing. This is everything that has to go in the Osprey backpack. I feel like this is totally doable. I am so excited. Let's do this. You guys, I can't believe this happened, but my camera died in the last 2 seconds of me packing this sucker up. So hello, it is the next day. We are fully packed up. I am ready to go, and I can't even believe that it fit, to be honest. It was touch and go there for a second, but we got it all in there. I am now feeling good about the situation. But yes, this is the final product. One final look. These are the 2 bags I'm bringing. These are the clothes and shoes I'm wearing on the plane. While I still have you here, I might as well give you a few more tips before I end off the video. One that is really important is to make sure you have a credit card with you that gives you no foreign transaction fees. One that comes to mind is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Now, if you have this card, you're set. Like, you will not have any foreign transaction fees. If you don't, you could be accruing like 30 cents to $1 on each purchase you make, which really adds up, and that's just not what you want, okay? Along the lines of money, I would also recommend bringing cash, and I've already exchanged them prior to leaving. So this is really helpful because you're not getting any like airport transaction-y kind of fees that are gonna add up. This is super important because once you get there, you're gonna be taking taxis and food, like anything under 30 euros, you're just gonna be wanting to use cash. And the last tip I have for you guys is regarding jet lag. Now, yes, everybody hates jet lag, but there are a few things you can do beforehand to kind of get your body in the rhythm of the new time zone. So my sister actually downloaded an app and it kind of gets her into the new sleep schedule. Now what I like to do is I am more someone who likes to stay up the night before, and I'm gonna try to pull an all-nighter for this trip specifically because I wanna be super tired during the long haul flights. I think one of our flights is literally 10 or 11 hours. My goal is to sleep for the majority of that flight. By the time I get to our first destination in Europe, it's like 2 or 3 p.m. I'm ready to like hit the town. So that is always my tactic, but I do recommend checking out a few of those things, maybe like the sleep app. Whatever you can do will make your trip 1,000 times better. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this pack with me. I am so excited. We are leaving tomorrow. I will leave you with, you know, if you guys are traveling this summer, near or far, I hope you guys have the best adventures. And the next time you see me, I will be in Europe. But until then, bye Felice.